Hey friends, Julie here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very inexpensive DIY Christmas wreath using paper. I am participating in the Ultimate Christmas Wreath playlist that is hosted by Natalie from Design to the Nines and Jennifer from A Little Bit of Calm and Crazy. I will have links to their channels as well as to the playlist down in my description box, so be sure to go check it out if you want some Christmas wreath inspiration. If you are new to my channel, I am Julie, and on my channel I do DIYs, crafting, and home decor all on a budget. So if that's something that interests you, you're going to want to make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so that you don't miss my future videos.
Now for the supplies, you're going to need some scissors, stapler, some tape, a pen or pencil, some paper of your choice, cardboard, a ruler, and a paper cutter. So for my wreath, I needed a total of 22 8x11 papers that I cut in half to give me a total of 44 sheets of paper to make this wreath. One of the nice things about this wreath is that you can use any kind of paper you want. I chose the brown craft paper, but you could use a colored paper. So now once all of your paper is cut, you are ready to start making paper cones. You're going to take the right side of the top of the paper and fold it under, and the left side of the bottom of the paper and fold it over to make this cone shape. Now there's a couple ways you can secure it. You can use tape. I decided to use staples. Once I got going, I thought that it would be a little bit more secure to use the staples. I'm going to show you again how to roll it a few more times just so that you can get the hang of it. Once you get a couple of them going, it's super easy to do the rest. This is the perfect activity to do when you're watching a movie, or I like doing it during watching like Food Network shows, but it's perfect time to just do it when you don't have anything to do and you can watch something. Now in order to assemble the wreath, you're going to need to make some markings on your cardboard. You want an 8-inch diameter circle, and so to do that I just marked the 4 inches in the middle and then marked 2 slashes near the 1 and the 8, and then you're going to want to do it north, south, and east and west. Then you're also going to want to do it for a 4-inch circle. So you start at 2 inches in the middle and mark the 1 and the 4. Now for the fun part, and that is assembling all the cones. This actually goes by really quickly. Just using some hot glue, you're going to start on the outer edge, the 8-inch circle, and then once you fill that in, you'll go to the 4-inch circle, and you can keep going until you have filled your paper wreath as thick as you would like it to be. Now, to fill the center, I came up with a few different ideas for you. I took the papers that I had cut and cut them in half again to make some smaller cones. And if I wanted to keep this all just the brown paper, I could just fill this in with the little cones in the center. I was even thinking spraying glue on it and then putting some glitter would be really pretty. Another idea is to make a Christmas bow and stick that in the center. That also would have been really cute. I also had this red hydrangea flower, and I thought that would be really pretty. My daughter voted on that, so that's the one I ended up going with. And another option would be to glue in some little glitter ornaments. These ones are from the Dollar Tree. Once the center has been filled with whatever you decide, it is time to turn it over and to make the hanger. I am just going to use some ribbon, and I am going to fold the ends together and attach those with glue, and then I'm going to glue it onto the cardboard. Here is the wreath with the red hydrangea flower in the center. I really liked this, but there was just something missing. I wasn't completely satisfied. So I added this piece ornament that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just glued both ends onto the paper and it stayed just fine. And I just think that's what it needed. It just needed a little bit something more. So if you're looking for some more Christmas DIYs or decor ideas, check out these other playlists here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.